Oh yes, I'm back again. Ruto explains a plan to help Kenyans buy homes for 5k per month. The President-elect William Ruto on Wednesday, September 7, vowed to introduce a new housing fund that will allow Kenyans to own homes by paying monthly mortgage of 5k Kenya shillings. Speak during a parliament group meeting at this current residence. Then, outgoing Deputy President maintained that the plan was achievable and offered a cheaper option for future homeowners compared to renting. He noted that the state has already bought a one-bedroom house in Pangani at a price of 1 million Kenya shillings, way cheaper than the rents quoted by the construction companies. He explained that interested buyers will be comfortable paying the 5k a month mortgage to rent the same house. However, they should be ready to part with the monthly of 15 Kenya shillings monthly rent. In the next 2 weeks, I want you to pay a visit to Pangan, where we have a model programs for a housing. We have actually built a house for 1 million Kenya shillings, a good house with a bedroom, sitting room, kitchen, toilet and shower, to mortgage for buying that house in Kenya shillings 5k per month. It is the only program where rent is going to be halfway than mortgage. If you were to rent that flat, you would probably pay the 15k or 20k Kenya shillings, but it is going to cost paying mortgage 5k, a 2-bedroom and 10k for mortgage, Ruto told the congregation. He noted that the plans was first fronted in 2018 but was overcome by the political temperatures at the time. In this speech, the President-elect challenged the Kenyan Kwanza MPs to support the proposal when it rains on the floor on the house to actualize his manifesto. We have a plan where fairing is not an option. In that plan, where is a big potential that you have to help us with the heavy lifting. We will be proposing certain amendments to the law. We will be proposing some new legislation to take care of what he wants to do, or to facilitate the implementation of our plan. We will be proposing the establishment of the housing fund that is going to underpin our housing program. It is something that we should have done in 2018, he added. The project is also started to be replicated across the 47 countries, but it is still not clear when the timelines for its implementation will kick off. Oh yes, when we say we want to do the housing, we want to do the housing programs, it is possible for us to have enough affordable houses for the citizens. He reiterated in this manifesto. Ruto noted that his country has a yearly housing deficit of the 250,000 units. Yes, the country is only able to deliver 50,000. He therefore vowed to grow the number of mortgages from that K to 1 million by enabling low-cost mortgages. Oh yes, nilikuwa nasema ya kwamba hii ni neno ambaye Ruto aliwahi sema in Congress, akaambia kila Mkenya atampea nyumba na 5K atakuwa analipa na nyumba ikuwe yake. Oh yes, nawapenda sana, nawakaribisha tena, muzidi kufuata channel Shata Mkazi, nawakaribisha tena, mkuwe watu wangu, tuzidi kujua good information from all sides. I love you. Welcome and wonderful, because whenever I'm here around, you get everything you need. Ni wakati yule mutapata mengi zaidi, na tena nitazidi kuwapea na kuwazidisha mazuri mapya kulingana na wakati na hali mzuri ambavyo ilivyo. Thank you so much.